Karbi Anglong Tv9 News kena arah doa na phasame kardom pipa 0.1 kardom. Pini prime jama berta thantang milimen mirdam thanchupi. Tangte berta thepi berta antun pen arjupan sene. Lakhain ko raponi lip constituency ke parlu number havar mate menthe arong along luchin lori amai ke padupon. Lason simati jong cikloni phai kritrok pen kritrok siarni menthe mate number havar long ninia pharman Karbi indigenous youth concert ke IYC pen patirpi pon si luchin lori apathak kachithan gachimum amai padupon. Labang so mai long laki luchin lori mate mithanim ason se kachichini le thojia phansi labang so mai pedupon. Labang so mai long ke IYC amai pusar bilison terang ahin pen mesen pen mai charipon. Labang so mai long nilip MAC Povitro rong pi aluhi sar poman pen chitongdun. Amparta Dr. Dhorom Singh Teron ke IYC sar kangjang terang ke IYC bidi sar lapen ke IYC bidi sar long sing bay advocate bida sing lekthia tum pen chitongdun si bang so mai long mayar dipidun. Labang so mai long aron bari mate honghari aron ke krayarat atum ongdung armupen chitongdun si mesen pen mai pachunpa. Nili pen harbamon rongpi Karbi Anglong Tv9 News.
Number hawar along Karbi aron barim ke kroetum chinore po atumo pusar pusar pen chitamam labang so atumo atumi pen lo saikulat itu pini gala kijo siarani lo labang so mai long alang tum ahin te delipan nang khalo pini le chitong do lo tapen Karbi party lo organizer committee tum doan engineers youth atom sonsi sai ke den kona pot ni den pe la party kenang sot ke jongsi hang anim ke kroe tum jongsi alang tum tingki je khana we ba workshop ave cycler pi be protang te khurmi soi janga tum ke hoyto alang tum chini rak thekhere ta hai ate non ke modernization appeared he lasi social media long nitum sikoi ke la social media long nitum ke gelangdun kabor idun lasi lahan nim ro kong ana tu bang nitum chiteng le dati lasi lahai setame nitum bekhang anim bekhang adhorom bang tikoi peme thekye phan kachithan kachimu bang ke kenang sot kusi dele ke ala to akhiru party Indeng ki thom intercharge men and women football knockout tournaments ke bipon. Lason sila khain ko rapon nili constituency ka palu koilamati risak hidi general pachua klamalong mati jong ni phai captain ni phai trainer cap an intercharge men and women football knockout tournament ke bipon. Lason si Arlong Pira Baptist Church Ministry atom pen patro pipon sila bangso intercharge men and women football knockout tournament bipon si kecheng pen ki jut an mesen pen pachun pon labangso ke pachu ki bipon along aluhi sar poman pen ang chitongdong deputy speaker Dr. Nomor Momin lapen nilip MAC Povitra rongpi atum tan chitongdong lapela bangso ke pachu along pinso kecheng sianong e mate winner rupees 15,000 anong e chipalong pon lake Bethel Presbyterian Church FC atum pen si chipalong pon Lapen runner amate hinienong a rupees 10,000 an kachipalong dun atum lake ICYM Assumption Paris FC atum pensi hinienong a chipalong pondo. Lapen arloso ke pachua long ke chengsianong a winner rupees 10,000 ICYM Assumption Paris FC atum pensi chipalong pondo. Lapen arloso runner amate hinienong a rupees 6,000 Better Presbyterian Church FC atum pensi hinienong a chipalong pondo. Labangso anong e kipajer pon laki Dr. Nomor Momin arideng pen si kicheng si anong e pajer pono lapen hini anong e laki nilip MAC Povitro rong pi arideng pen si pajer pono nilip pen long lias terang Karbi Anglong Tv9 News.
Lage salu and we enjoyed the football game. Iman interior place iman bhal khelibo para lora chali ase khub bhal lagise ei karone আমাৰ চৰকাৰেও ক্ৰীড়া মহাৰণ আমি পাতিছিলোঁ, য'ত একদম ইণ্টেৰিয়ৰ প্লেচৰ পৰা ভাল ভাল ল'ৰা আমি চিলেক্ট কৰিবলৈ কাৰণে এই কম্পিটিশ্যন চলি আছে। ডিষ্ট্ৰিক্ট লেভেলত হৈছে এতিয়া, তাৰপিছতে ষ্টেট লেভেলত হ'ব। গতিকে উই এনজয়ড দ্য গেম এণ্ড অৰ্গেনাইজিং কমিটি মই ধন্যবাদ দিছোঁ। আই কংগ্ৰেচুলেট দেম, দে হেভ অৰ্গেনাইজ ছাচ এ গুড টুৰ্ণামেণ্ট in this interior place of Nilip MSC constituency.
Sir, road from the BDC road to here up to Anglong conditions is very pathetic conditions.
Definitely, we have not all. Already, we have constructed few kilometers, and rest is left. We have sent 2-3 proposals. As soon as that road is sanctioned, then we will start construction. Then don't worry. I have already promised the people of this Tokolangso and Borjan, so that we will construct this road, because so many areas previous government did not do a single work. So I have started from the zero. That's why it's taking time. So it is in my notice very much that I will do some very good work for this Anglong Pira site and this Borjan area, Topolangso site. At the end, I must wish all of you, the people of Bukajan LSC and the people of Assam and the people of Northeast, a very happy Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Thank you.
Nanti pini abirta ke langsikan tonpondong domi thanmi kardong.